If you are looking for a peaceful day outing near Bangalore with a lush greenery, a relaxing pool, good food and beautiful surroundings, this video is for you. And here's everything you need to know before planning your visit. The Golden Palms is located about 25 to 30 kilometers from Bangalore city, easily drivable in under an hour depending on traffic. The moment you enter, you are greeted with a calm, spacious vibe, tall palm trees, fountains and a grand reception area. Check-in was pretty smooth, the staff was polite and welcoming. After a quick check-in, we were taken to our room in a buggy, which is a nice touch especially on a hot day. The resort is spread out and feels quite open with lots of greenery all around. The rooms here are spacious, neat and give an old school charm. You have a large bed, seating area, decent amenities like a mini fridge, work desk and a balcony that opens up to a lovely pool view. So the room had a balcony and honestly this was the best part for me. I just stepped out and saw this, a full view of the pool, greenery around. It was quite breezy and just felt really nice. I think if you are booking a stay here, definitely try to get one of these pool facing rooms. There's a lot of open space to walk around, lawns, fountains, small pathways. It's not a crowded property at all, which I really liked. So I headed to their cafe to grab something light. I ordered a cold coffee, a sandwich and fries. It's a pretty basic setup but cozy. The coffee was actually good, like better than I expected. Sandwich and fries were alright, nothing fancy but it worked. Evening time, the whole vibe changes, the lights start coming on and the place looks really pretty. Post snacks, I just walked around the property a bit. There's this small bridge over the pool which looks nice in the evening lights. People were still playing in the pool. There are a few sculptures around, little water elements. It gives a relaxed, open vibe overall. At night, the pool area is lit up really well. It doesn't feel dark or dull. I even spotted a random cat roaming around, always a good sign in peaceful places. I crossed the spa area too, didn't go in but good to know that they have one. They had a dinner buffet laid out, decent variety. If you're planning to stay back for the night, that's convenient. Next morning, I woke up early just to sit in the balcony again. I know I'm repeating it, but seriously, that view grows on you. Breakfast was similar, mix of Indian, continental, live counter and salads. I had idli, dosa and fruits. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Overall, the Golden Palms Hotel and Spa is a good option if you're looking for a peaceful day outing near Bangalore. I personally liked the quietness and open feel, not too commercial, not too busy, just simple and relaxing.